Hello, hi everyone. It's good to be back to your screen. If this is your first time invading my space, a big welcome to you. You are so much welcome to my channel. Yes, if this is the first time seeing my videos up here, you are definitely my MVP for the day. It's good to have you here. I'm very sure you are going to be enlightened. You are going to get everything in the most simplified form. Welcome back once again for my returning subscribers. You are the best. Welcome back, welcome back. So today I'm going to continue on the series of algebraic equations, algebraic expression, algebras as it were. We've been on algebra for some time now, where I've been able to differentiate between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. And in our last lesson, yes, still on our channel here on YouTube and on TikTok, we did some simplification on algebraic expressions. So today I'm going to be simplifying algebraic equations. But just so I refresh your memory, I would like to remind you that algebraic equations are algebraic expressions equated to a number. Algebraic equation is an algebraic expression equated to a number, such as this. So 5y plus 7 is an algebraic expression, but by the time we equate it to 32, it becomes an algebraic equation. Now, the essence of this class is to see how to simplify algebraic equations. So let's dig in. Now, when you are simplifying algebraic equation, the thing you need to consider and first of all place your gaze on, you place your focus on, is the number close to the algebraic term. Now, algebraic term is a number and a letter joined together. So the number close to the algebraic term is going to be our focus. Now, for example, one, we have 5y plus 7 equals 32. The algebraic term here is 5y. So the number close to the algebraic term is a positive 7. Positive 7 means plus 7. So this is my concern right now. I'm going to find a possible means of eliminating, of removing the positive 7 from the 5y. Meanwhile, one thing I need to say just before I continue is that an algebraic equation has two sides. An algebraic equation has two sides. We have the left hand side and the right hand side. So whatever we are going to be doing to the left hand side must equally be done to the right hand side. Now, how do we get the left hand side? The left hand side is everything written before the equal to. What I mean is this: the left hand side of this equation is 5y plus 7. 5y plus 7 is the left hand side of this equation, and the right hand side is 32, the number after, or everything written after the equal to sign. Everything written after the equal to sign is on the right hand side, and everything written before the equal to sign is on the left hand side. That must be taken and kept in a very good space of your mind, because that is going to help us as we proceed. Now, let's come over to what I was saying before. For you to simplify the algebraic equation, you need to consider the number closest to the algebraic term. And our algebraic term here is 5y. And the number closest to it is positive 7. Now, we need to eliminate positive 7. We need to eliminate plus 7. We need to remove plus 7. And the only way we can do that is to do the opposite of plus, which is minus. So for we to do this, we have to subtract 7 from both sides. Subtract 7 from both sides. Now, what we mean is this. Remember we said an equation has two sides. So it means we are going to subtract 7 from this side and subtract 7 from this other side. So we are going to have 5y plus 7 minus 7, which is the subtract 7, equal to 32 minus 7. So 5y is still on its own. We can't subtract it with 7. So but we can do plus 7 minus 7. It's eliminated. Plus 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. That is gone. We have successfully eliminated the 7. Then to the right hand side, 32 minus 7 is 25. Now we have a simple equation here. 5y on the left hand side, 25 alone on the right hand side. The next thing you need to do right now is to expand the algebraic term. Expand the algebraic term. Now our algebraic term here is 5y. When we are expanding this, it becomes 5 times y, because 5 times y is 5y. So we expand this, right? And then we have 25. So now the next thing is to what? Make y the subject of the formula. What this means is that make y to be alone. But we have something close to y, which is 5, and we have an operation times. Now for we to make y to be alone, we have to also eliminate 5. We have to also remove 5. And that will be possible if we divide both sides. Why am I dividing? I'm dividing because the operation here right now is multiplication. If you see, for we to do any elimination, we have to what? Do the opposite of the operation. When we were eliminating 7, we have to do the opposite of plus. Now we are eliminating 5, we have to do the opposite of times. So the opposite of times is division. So we have to do divide both sides by 5. So we have 5 times y over 5, 25 over 5. So what 5, the 5 is eliminated, is off it. So we are now left with y equals to 25 divided by 5. Therefore, y is equals to 5, because 25 divided by 5 is 5. It's very, very simple. But I'm going to do another example. I'm very sure after this, the comprehension will be faster. So let's see example 2. 2m negative 9, 2m minus 9 equal to 13. Now, the very first thing you need to check out for is the number closest to the algebraic term. And the algebraic term here is 2m. The number closest to 2m is negative 9. So what else do we do? We have to think of a way of eliminating the 9. And we can't just eliminate the 9 by cancelling it. We can't eliminate the 9 by cancelling it. No, we can only eliminate the 9 by doing the opposite of the operation close to the 9. The operation here is minus, subtraction. So for way to eliminate this 9, we have to do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. So therefore, we will do add 9 to both sides. If you are still confused, you shouldn't. We are going to eliminate by doing the opposite of the operation that exists in that place. The operation that exists here is subtraction, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. Why are we adding 9? 9 is the closest number to the algebraic term. Good. Now, so we have 2m minus 9 plus 9, because an equation has two sides. So we write the left hand side, we had 9. We write the right hand side 13. We also add 9. Whatever you do to the left hand side must be done to the right hand side. There must be a correspondence. If the left hand side is affected by anything, the right hand side should also be affected by such. So right now, minus 9 plus 9, it's 0. Minus 9 plus 9, I'm owing 9 and I have 9. I can charge off my debt. minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So that is eliminated. We are now left with 2m here. Then right hand side 30 plus 9 is 22. The next thing you do, as we did in example 1, is to expand this algebraic term. It will now be 2 times m equals to 22. What do we do next is to make m alone, and that will be possible by also eliminating 2. How do we eliminate 2? The operation close to 2 is times. And for we to eliminate 2, we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Therefore, we are to divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2, we are left with m. And of course, 22 divided by 2 is 11. This settles it, and that gives you the value of m. This is where I will call it a wrap for the day. I would like you to go through these examples, and if you have challenges after going to these examples, or you are trying to do something like this and it's still not making sense, please feel free to drop it on the comment section and your question will be responded to. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to follow us in every medium. And just so you know, you can always be the best. Trust in God's ability in you. Trust in God helping you to excel at always, and let fear not in any way limit you. God bless you. See you some other time. Bye for now.